Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply track 404 pages and redirect them in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to plugins and add a new plugin and just write in search redirect. And as you can see, we're gonna see it here, redirection, install now and activate it. Straight away when you got it, you're gonna see it here. So you want to go to tools and redirection. And now first you can just easily add your source URL and target URL. It's pretty simple. And then you can monitor tracking the 401. Okay. And now when you have it, so source URL, just add your URL, then target URL, and then when you're gonna click on 404, this is where you're gonna see all the error sites and URLs. So this is how we do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's pretty much it. So thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.